Hello boys and girls, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing reading. Here we go. Open your book to page number 51, reading lesson 3. Do you remember this lecture? It was about the amazing animals. Yes, and Mr. Owl was teaching about this forest animal, about different animals that live around the world. And he began with the cat family. Yes. Okay. Listen to the following animal sounds. Can you tell what they are? Excellent, very good. I know that you recognized more than one. Yes? Okay, we are going to continue with the story with Mr. Owl in the page number 51. Okay, what do you think? What is the next family that Mr. Owl is going to continue teaching? Yes, he is going to continue teaching about dog family. Excellent. Now we are going to continue reading, so please follow the lecture with your finger. Okay? Here we go.
Mr. Bunny interrupted Mr. Owl with a question.
What about Sylvester the cat? Does he belong in that same cat family?
Of course,
said Mr. Owl.
Sylvester is the kind of cat people have for pets and is the smallest cat in the family.
Mr. Owl asked if anyone had a question. He really wanted to teach his friends about the dog family.
Shall we learn more?
He asked. All the forest animals listening asked Mr. Owl to tell more. Mr. Owl hooted and then began teaching about the dog family.
People have dogs in their homes for pets. Dogs are good friends and great protection. They guard their owners very well. Some dogs are also used to help people see and hear. Well,
continued the owl,
there are wild dogs in the dog family. The jackal, the coyote, the wolf, and the fox. They do not usually live near people.
Suddenly.
Okay, excellent. Okay, now we are going to check for understanding. What animal family did Mr. Owl teach about next? Yes, you got it. Yes, he was talking about dog family. Excellent, very good. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Have a nice day. Remember, we are going to continue reading about amazing animals next week. And remember, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.